In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart in Microsoft Word. We'll keep this simple and effective by using Word's built-in SmartArt tools, so you can create a clean, professional flowchart without drawing shapes by hand or installing anything extra. If you have Word open and a document ready, you're set. First, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. This tab is where Word keeps everything you can add beyond plain text: pictures, charts, and most importantly for us, diagrams. Think of it as your toolbox for turning a basic document into something visual and easy to understand. Once you're there, your focus will be on the diagram options that help structure information clearly. Next, choose SmartArt. This opens the SmartArt gallery, which is essentially a catalog of ready-made diagrams you can drop into your document. SmartArt does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It aligns shapes automatically, draws connectors, and keeps spacing consistent, so your chart looks neat and balanced from the start. It's ideal when you want to communicate a process or structure without spending time on manual formatting. In the gallery, look to the categories on the left and select Hierarchy. Hierarchy layouts are perfect for structured information, anything that moves from a top element down into related steps or roles. Even though we're making a flowchart, many flow processes fit neatly into a hierarchical structure because they progress level by level. This category keeps lines and boxes organized in tiers, which makes your chart easier to read at a glance. From the hierarchy options on the right, select Organization Chart. Despite the name, this layout isn't limited to staffing structures. It gives you a clear top box with connected boxes beneath it, which maps nicely to a starting point followed by subsequent stages or branches. Once inserted, you'll see a ready-to-use diagram with placeholder boxes and connectors already in place. This setup helps you focus on your content rather than alignment or drawing lines. As you shape your flow, keep your text short and consistent so each box communicates one clear idea. Aim for concise labels, like an action verb followed by a noun, to keep the chart scannable. If you're planning a longer process, sketch high-level stages first so you know what belongs on each tier. The SmartArt layout adapts as your content grows, maintaining tidy connections and spacing. And remember, you can always explore other hierarchy variations later if you want a slightly different structure while keeping the same clean, connected look. That's it. Using Insert, SmartArt, Hierarchy, and Organization Chart is the fastest path to a polished flowchart right inside Word.